Hey you guys, it's me Megs and I am back with a new video. Do you notice something different? Do you see something different with me right now? you see it? I don't know how to act because what? I got a bob, girl. Yes, I did. I got a bob. It was kind of like spur of the moment. I just decided, hey, let's cut it off. But then again, I thought about it for a really long time as well, but I never actually acted on it. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you kind of see me kind of mention like, oh, I want a long bob, I want a bob, I want to cut it, I want a bob. And everybody was like, no, don't cut it. And some people were like, yeah, do it, that'll be cute. So I actually did it, and Jody did my hair. I had a stylist do my hair, a new stylist. Her name is Jody. She is super talented. She does everybody, y'all. So I'll put her information down in the description below. So Jody did retouch my new growth, and she did give me the blunt cut that I needed, and I was not afraid, girl. I've never been afraid of change. I love change, and I'm loving this cut because it looks so good, and that is what my hair needed. Because if you watch some of my previous relax updates, y'all, you've seen that I had like the two different lengths going on, and it was just looking real weird. So I'm like, let's even this out so I can give myself a good start to growing my hair out how I want it to be. But then again, I'm thinking like, I kind of like how this look just like this. What if I just want to keep it like keep it this length, because it just looks so much better. And she definitely evened everything out, y'all. Look how full and even my hair is, because if you watch my last one, I had like, it was like very choppy. It was like shorter up here but longer down here. So she evened everything out. Like, it looks so full. It has so much body. Like, it looks so good. And I noticed that my hair, it just appears healthier. And I noticed that since this cut, my shedding has slowed down, and I've just noticed a lot of things. My hair just feels a lot better, and I am so glad that she cut it off, because those two different lengths was just really going to be difficult for me to grow out and have my hair look right. And my ends look super good. There's no thinness anywhere. Chopping it off was like the best decision I have ever made. I was not afraid. I was just like, let's do it. And I knew when she went to cut it, I was like, ooh, it's no turning back. But I knew my hair was gonna look so much better, and it does. Now, the only thing with my hair that I'm still getting used to, because I have a long bob, like, this piece keeps curling up. What do y'all suggest I do? This piece keeps curling up. But yeah, y'all, I am loving my hair. Let me give y'all a little shake. It looks full. It looks so much better. It has a healthier appearance, even though my hair isn't where it needs to be. But I feel like with this cut, it just makes the whole journey so much easier and gives me, you know, something to look forward to, you know, with each relax update. So yeah, you guys, I actually had the stylist retouch my new growth. I did stretch my hair. The last time I retouched my hair myself, which is the tutorial that I uploaded here, was December 19th. And I actually had Jody retouch my hair. I believe it was the 1st. Okay, yeah, it was the 1st. So my hair has been cut for a few days now, and I'm really getting used to it. But as soon as she, you know, brought them scissors to my hair, it almost felt like a sigh of relief, because I knew my hair was going to look really good, because my hair was full all up in here, but the ends just was like, no, because I had those two different lengths, and it just made it look really weird. So I'm really happy with how my hair looks and feels. My ends just are everything right now. So I'm really looking forward to growing my hair out and seeing how it does, and, you know, coming to you guys with the next relax update to see what progress I have made. And definitely, since I have these new ends now, I'm going to do everything that I can to make sure that my hair grows out how it needs to grow out, and also continuing my use of castor oil, because my hair is actually starting to look better. Of course, it looks better with this cut, but I could kind of see my hair starting to come around even before the cut. So I just want to let you guys know that, like, hair journeys take time. Like, nothing really happens overnight. So I want to say thank you guys so much for understanding the journey that I am on, and being supportive and encouraging with this whole journey as far as the changes that I'm making with my hair, because it's not easy. It's definitely hard, and there are those days where you feel kind of like, bummy about your hair and those days that you feel really, really good about your hair. And, you know, that's all a part of the journey. But you definitely just have to be patient and stay focused and, you know, take your time and take care of your hair and do what it needs. So I'm really excited to really, you know, grow my hair out or even keep it like this. I'm still undecided, but I'm just loving this cut so much. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back really quick, and I'm going to head on out. Okay, y'all, so before I show you the back, this is the side. Side is looking real bomb, real full. Body in movement, okay? Body in movement. So I guess you could definitely say that I am shoulder length right now, and I'm loving it, okay? I am loving it. And this is the back, nice and full. But yeah, y'all, I am loving my hair. I'm loving everything about it. If you guys do have any questions about anything, feel free to ask me. The name of the relaxer that I use is down in the description. Like always, it's the Oral S Box Relaxer in normal, and she's the one who retouched my hair this time. Now, I'm actually considering having a stylist retouch my hair each time it's time for a relaxer retouch, because I just really like how my hair looks right now. It just looks a lot better because, one, I'm not a professional stylist, and so I can't give myself this kind of body each time unless I really like learn how to do it. I also want to let you guys know that this is my hair flat ironed, so it's starting to come around. It's starting to look real good. And Jody did all of that. So like I said, all of her information will be down in the description below. And if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.